In this video, we're going to take a look at question 3 from 2019 higher level junior certificate mathematics paper 1. So question 3 part A, we're looking at the distance between the Earth and Moon being equal to 56 million kilometers. Earth and Mars, 56 million kilometers. We have to write this distance in form of A times 10 to the power of n kilometers, where 1 is smaller than A and A is smaller than 10. And obviously number n belongs to the set of natural numbers. So let's take a look at number A. Has to be multiplied by 10. So number A has to be related to that 5 and 6 digits, and because it has to be between 1 and 10, we're going to write down 5.6 times 10. Now how many zeros are there from the end to 5.6? So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 space over here, so we have to multiply 5.6 times 10 to the power of 7 kilometers for the final answer. We also know that the diameter of a human hair is roughly 0.0075 centimeters. We have to write the same thing down, write the diameter in form of b times 10 to n centimeters, where 1 is smaller or equal to b, and b is smaller than 10, and the power belongs to the set of integers. So because 7.5 centimeters, 0.0075 centimeters is to the right of the decimal point, number n has to be negative. So we know that we're going to be multiplying by 10 to the negative power. Now, what number are we going to put in power? Let's see how many times do we need to move to the right in order to hit number 7. So we're moving 1, we're moving 2, we're moving 3 times. So that's going to be 10 to the minus 3. And what number is going to stand in front of the multiplication sign? When we move 3 spaces to the right, we hit 7, and then the decimal spot will be over here, so 7.5. Decimal point, we have 7.5 times 10 to minus 3 centimeters, and this is the correct answer to this part of the question. Question 3 is asking us to find out how many meters did Lewis travel during the time his eyes were closed. So we know that he's traveling at 90 kilometers per hour. 90 kilometers per hour we need to convert into meters per second first. So we know that 90 is equal to 90,000 meters, because 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters. Another 2 useful conversions for this problem are the following. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so let's start counting. 90,000 meters we know he travels in 60 minutes, in 1 hour. So we can convert 1 hour into minutes, so that's 60 minutes. If we want to find out how many meters does he travel in 1 minute, we need to divide this by 60. So if we divide 90,000 by 60, we're going to get 1,500 in 1 minute. Now 1 minute is 60 seconds. So if we want to find out how far does he travel during 1 second, we need to divide both sides by 60 again. And if we divide 1,500 by 60, we get 25 meters in 1 second. But the question asks us to find out how far does he travel during half a second. So we need to divide both of those numbers by 2. So we get 12.5 in half a second. And that's the answer to the question.